This is the coolest technology on the planet. If you want to see epic technology put into application, it's aerospace.
We really care about making sure there's engineers that are solving the next generation of problems that we have.
It offers them opportunities that they may not know about or may not have thought about.
The best school trip I've ever been on. It gives you the opportunity to know what you want to do in your life.
The youth are where all innovation is going to come from. They're the workforce of tomorrow and they're the innovators of tomorrow.
The students that were selected for the pilot programme were nominated by their schools because they expressed an interest in STEM. And the idea behind the STAAR residential programme is to give them the opportunity to experience something that no one else would be able to experience without the input of the RAF and the museum and Northrop Grumman.
The activities have been based on real-life missions and solving real-life engineering problems.
None of this could be done by any one group, but when they all come together, the synergy of what we can all bring to it, the facilities that the RAF provides, the spirit of cooperation and history that the Royal Museum brings to it, and of course it takes some funding, and we're very, very happy to contribute in that way.
This is about getting kids really excited about the world of aerospace so that hopefully in a few years' time they'll pop out of the other side of university or go on to an apprenticeship in our industry.
We need to give them experiences and really get their hands involved, get their minds thinking and really experience and engage with experts in their fields.
So today we got to do an excellent activity with these students as part of the STAAR program. We got to combine a real-world scenario where there's an earthquake and the students have to design a mission around how to survey what's going on within the population, where is there emergencies and how to address those emergencies.
They've had some really quite challenging tasks. I'm an ex-aircraft engineer myself, so I've seen some of the things they would have to be faced with, and they've really embraced them and really met that challenge and enjoyed it, which I think obviously is the most important thing.
In my experience, there really isn't any substitute for getting the guys out and getting them hands-on on aircraft, on mechanical systems. I think real understanding comes when they actually see it working.
We've been using our mathematics much more. We've been seeing the science behind things. You can actually see where these skills can be implemented.
Feedback from Lucy, it's been a busy week and I'm really pleased to hear how many activities they've done and the variety of activities that have gone on. Amazed at how much she's learned from the presentation. Yeah, blew us away.
This is the beginning of something really quite special. We're going to try and run this more often in the future. We're going to go away from this and have some discussions about how we actually make this bigger and better and be more inclusive, get more people involved.
It's been amazing. It's probably one of the most valuable weeks I've ever had, and it's actually made me consider going into a career of such an area.
I think this is like once in a lifetime opportunity which should not be taken as for granted.
This was just a vision that we had just a little while ago, and to see it in real life come into fruition in this stage is very exciting, because you can see these young kids over here getting very excited, and not just excited, but they're more confident day by day. They're more clear about what it takes to solve a problem, and with that, I think, learn how to lead.